Why, look at this big pit! It's dangerous without a proper bridge! The truck is happily on its way, but it should be careful near the pit. Good job stopping in time, truck! Always watch where you're going! The truck backs up carefully. Safety first when unloading! What's that noise? Something's coming fast! Crash! Always drive carefully near others!
Oh my God.
Well, let's continue.
The cars panic! Reckless driving never ends well! The cars tried to escape without thinking. Splash! Now all three are stuck in the pit.
Help! Help!
Help.
The crane is working nearby, ready to help in emergencies.
Help me! I'm stuck in the water hole.
Okay, I'll come right away.
A call for help! Someone needs rescuing!
Oh my God, smell really bad.
Help!
Help. Help.
The crane carefully lowers its hook to start the rescue. First car out! Rescue is one step at a time.
Thank you.
Thank you very
Now,
much.
the second car is
Oh,
free.
no, so
Teamwork
stinky.
makes it possible.
No, go away.
Finally, the truck is safe too. Everyone is out of danger.
Thanks you.
Thank you.
Let's clean up the mess. Staying clean is healthy.
Let's build a bridge together.
Okay, let's start.
A new bridge appears. A safe path is always better.
We must make it more certain.
More help arrives to make the bridge strong and steady. The road roller smooths everything out. Teamwork builds success. Whoa!
Come on, you can do it! Come on!
Oh, and also, what was that?
5 minutes later.
I know I can do it.
Okay, here we go.
Come on, y'all, let's do this!
Does anyone have any way to save him? Why can't I move?
Come on!
A few minutes later.
Something's wrong. Move quickly.
Go, go, go!
Hey!
Oh my God!
It's time. Transform. Transform. Everyone calm down. We need to deal with this. He tried to add force to pull the truck up.
Yes, sir.
Hey! Calm down. We will help you.
The next day.
For you. Hurry up, we need your help.
Okay, here goes.
1, 2, 3, go! Ah! 1, 2, 3, go! The thing to do now is to repair this bridge. What should we do now? Here we go!
Oh, yeah!
This is the material I'm selling, but use it to fix the bridge first.
Okay, here we go.
Water blast, go!
5 minutes later.
Pay attention to the load when crossing the bridge.
Yes, I will learn from this.
The result is not individual, but the success of cooperation.
Oh no, I'm stuck.
Come on, come on! Oh my God!
Help me! Help! Help me!
Much later.
A dinosaur is attacking a farm truck. We need the police to rescue them.
Let's go!
Emergency! Calling the rescue team now.
Meanwhile.
Team, let's move out! Transform! Leader McQueen, ready?
Transform! Always me doing the cleaning.
Go, 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 go!
Transform. Tow truck ready. Transform. I'll take care of everyone.
Transform! Woohoo! Police is on the way!
Hey, dinosaur, stop right there!
Let me help.
More trouble again. Always me doing the cleaning. I make it.
Let's go!
Don't worry, you'll be fine.
Thank for your help.
Let's go!
We need to rebuild this road stronger.
Team, get ready for action. Dumping the rocks. I'll flatten the road.
Cement is coming. All clean, much safer now.
Let's go!
Hello, everyone. Have a wonderful day filled with peace and joy.
Just a little prank.
Oh no, so shaky.
OMG! What just happened? Is someone trying to destroy the police base?
My house.
Oh no, the base has been destroyed. But look, the police officer doesn't give up. He's already finding a way to rebuild his home. Everyone here is peaceful and joyful.
Guys, please help me rebuild. Let's do it. I'll bring bricks. I'll bring sand. I'll pour the base. I'll lift the roof. Let's go.
Okay!
The construction team is on the way. Let's see how they rebuild the brand new police base.
Great.
Okay!
Bricks here.
This time they're making it stronger and safer, even using bricks for extra support.
Okay!
Here's the floor. Pour the cement.
Look at that! Such professionalism. Working together always brings the best results.
Okay!
Smooth it out.
Okay!
Careful. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm here.
Okay!
Wow, amazing. Put up the sign.
Wow, the new base is finished, and it looks amazing. Hard work truly pays off. Look how happy the police officer is. This shows us that no matter what happens, never give up hope.
Thank you so much.
Okay!
Gotcha. Please let me go.
Don't play with fireworks. It's very dangerous.
A beautiful morning begins, and the dump truck rolls down the road.
What is this? Hurry up. Remember to subscribe to the channel below. What to do next?
The dinosaur stomps closer, growling loudly.
It looks so scary. Quick, quick, quick.
The dinosaur breathes fire again. Oh no!
It's so hurt to get away from me. Get away from me. no! What's going on? Help me, please. Okay, let me help you.
The tow truck quickly turns around to find help. Far away, a crane truck is busy loading sand.
Hurry up! Hurry up! Help me! There is an accident. Follow me. Okay, go, go, go! Oh my God!
Okay.
Wow, amazing.
Oh no!
Help me.
Okay.
They pull and pull together. Slowly, the truck starts to move.
Fighting, fighting.
Yes, the truck is finally free from the swamp.
Oh my God, we made it. Hey, thank you so much. We need to fill the hole. Let me help.
The dump truck pours sand to build a new road.
Okay.
The crane flattens the ground, making it strong and safe.
Amazing. Wonderful.
Look at that smooth and sturdy new path.
Don't poke wild animals. Very dangerous. Okay, okay.
Together they drive away, ending their adventurous day.
Oh my God.
Hey.
Okay.
The parking lot is full of cars honking and jostling for space.
Okay.
Just enough room for me. The parking lot is full today. Oh, no. Out of space for me. Please wait a minute. I'm about to run out of fuel.
It falls from the sky and crashes down, flattening the parked cars.
I'm so sorry.
Oh
Let me help. You guys need to move so I can rescue.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Let me help.
The police officer rushes to throw a rope and help the trapped vehicles.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Too heavy.
The rope snaps while lifting the helicopter, sending the officer
assistance.
tumbling. Far away, the construction vehicles are playing a game of soccer.
Oh my God, let me help. Time to get to work.
Okay.
Go, go, go.
All the construction vehicles rush to get ready for the mission. The excavator scoops sand, filling the dump truck's bed.
Okay.
Let's go. Hey, stop. I come here. Calm down, calm down.
Okay!
Go, go, go. Sand here.
The dump truck tips its bed, pouring sand into the deep hole.
The ground is getting ready.
The road roller smooths the sand flat and even.
Cement here.
Okay! Hey!
The concrete road is about to be completed.
The crane drops speed bumps and lanes into place.
Railway.
Look, the whole parking area is fixed and organized.
Now everything is in order. I come here.
The cars park neatly, the train arrives, and the helicopter lands safely.
Always keep the parking lot organized and have a designated area for helicopters.
Look, a peaceful morning as the train glides beneath the dirt bridge.
It's so beautiful day. The ground is shaking. Achoo! Who buried me? What? What? Ida, so hurt! Help me! Oh my God, help me, please.
Nearby, the police car and tow truck are happily playing ball.
Catch the ball.
Okay!
Help me, help me. Huh? What's going on? An accident? Hey, follow me. Go, go, go.
Arriving at the site, they brake hard and jump into action.
We come here. Let me help. Calm down.
The tow truck extends its arm and hooks onto the container.
Oh my God.
Thank you so much.
Help me, please.
The tow truck rescues the train too, pulling it upright.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We need to rebuild the bridge. Let me...
Okay!
Here comes the construction team.
Oh, woo, what's going on? Let me remove the sand and build a better bridge.
Okay!
The crane scoops up sand and loads the dump truck.
Okay!
Bye-bye. Hey, hey, hey! Nice. I come here, ye. Oh, whoa, a lot of bricks.
The dump truck tips its bed and pours bricks gently beside the road.
Wow!
The new road is so beautiful. Add color to the bridge, more brilliant. Let's start. This is red. This is orange. This is yellow. Green, blue, purple, pink. Wow, it's so beautiful.
Okay!
The bridge gets painted in 7 rainbow colors.
Amazing.
Wow!
Traffic lights for safety. It's so beautiful, yeah.
Ta-da! The beautiful new bridge is ready to go.
Hello, and remember to subscribe to the channel below. Yeah, we make it.
The trucks roll away, proud of a job well done.
Make a way to make sure not to be life-threatening.
Red McQueen is happily whistling while driving down the road.
OMG, come on, come on!
Go, go, go!
I can't.
Yeah, ha ha ha! Hey, hey, come on, come on!
The monster truck pushes hard, forcing all cars toward the river.
Oh no!
What? Bye-bye!
Help! 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 OMG, I will help you. I need your help. Follow me.
Let's go.
Here! Okay, I will help.
Tow truck lowers its hook and lifts the small truck to safety.
Thank you.
The off-road truck is next, slowly being pulled up from the water. Finally, Red McQueen is lifted, safe and sound.
Thank you so much.
Let's build a bridge. Okay, let's go.
The crane carries the bridge piece and places it by the river.
We come here. Yeah.
Yeah!
How amazing.
Two strong pillars are placed firmly under the river.
Let me help.
I come here.
The cement truck starts pouring cement on top.
Almost done.
The roller smooths everything out, making it solid and flat.
Wow, that's beautiful! Yeah!
All the vehicles drive safely across the sturdy new bridge.
Just calm down. There will be a solution.
Oh no, the forest is full of trash. Let's clean up together. Yes, protecting the forest is our duty.
Okay!
Too much garbage.
The crane is cleaning the forest. Let's all help protect the environment.
Please remove trash for me.
Okay!
I am done.
La 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 la.
Not so clean. Oops, the sign turned the wrong way. I am done. Hey, I found some strong wooden logs.
Okay!
Let's collect precious wood. Reusing materials helps save resources.
Wow, amazing! Let's go this way, guys.
Oh no, something's wrong. Always stay alert to be safe.
What? Looks like we're lost. Oh no, I slipped. Help me, please. I come here right now. fighting, fighting, fighting. It's so dangerous. We need to build a bridge. Let's build a wooden bridge. Ouch! That log plays bowling! Let me help.
Carefully connect the bridge parts. Always work with care. Use strong wood for the bridge. A solid bridge keeps everyone safe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Learn and play every day.
Amazing.
Ta-da! The wooden bridge is done! Teamwork is awesome!
Wow, it's so beautiful. It's safe. Let's go.
Now the cars can cross safely. Teamwork makes us stronger.
It's so good. When friends work together, anything is possible.